Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Standard 12 Science, subject IT. Today we will be learning various applications of IoT, Internet of Things, from the chapter Emerging Technologies. IoT applications promise to bring immense value in our lives. They are expected to equip billions of everyday objects with connectivity and intelligence. With newer wireless networks, superior sensors, and computing abilities, IoT could be the next frontier in the race. So, some real world applications of IoT which are presently in use will be shown to you here. First one, we will take smart home or smart lighting, smart thermostats, smart locks and door openers, smart security cameras, smart traffic signals, smart wearables, and smart cities. These are some of the applications we are going to discuss today step by step. First one we will be seeing is the smart home. A smart home is a residence that uses internet connected devices to enable remote monitoring and management of systems and appliances. It is also the most searched IoT associated feature on Google and definitely the best example of IoT use case. With a focus on providing optimum security and convenience, smart home systems and devices are designed to save precious time and energy. You can control lighting, temperature, heating, etc. with just a few taps on your smartphone. Smart bulbs from Philips Hue give you a smart lighting in your home. The lights switch on off automatically when you enter your home. Illumination of light is controlled on the basis of daylight. This technology may not be used now, but it is emerging. So it might be available to us in future. So this was the smart home and smart lighting technology. Second is smart thermostats. This allows users to schedule, monitor, and remotely control home temperatures. They allow users to adjust heating settings from other internet connected devices such as laptop or smartphones. This allows users to control the thermostat remotely. It lets you adjust the temperature when you are away and also turn off the AC automatically when you leave your home. Third one is smart locks and door openers. These are password based or facial recognition based door and locks. They are connected to networks. Anyone with a smart lock should absolutely keep their applications updated or passwords secure and use a PIN for unlocking via voice assistants. Most smart locks let you receive alerts and track who is entering and who is leaving your premises and remotely lock and unlock when you are away from the home. Next is smart security cameras. Security cameras are those that can identify known and unknown people and raise an alarm in case of security threat. Intelligent cameras give you total peace of mind and sleep at home or even when you are away on vacation because they work 24 by 7 unlike security personnel and send you an alarm in case of a security event. Next is smart traffic signals. A traffic management system has become a cornerstone of smart cities. Signals can adjust their timing to accommodate commuters and holiday traffic and keep cars moving. In this, an algorithm is used to predict traffic density to minimize the traffic congestion. Smart traffic signals help to reduce the problem of congestion, accidents, crime, parking problems, and populations overhead. So traffic optimization is achieved using IoT platforms for efficient utilizing of allocating various times to all the traffic signals according to the amount of vehicles on the road. So traffic signal again works on the applications of IoT. Next is smart variables. See the pictures. You got an idea maybe. Variable devices are installed with sensors and software which collect data and information about the user. This data is later pre-processed to extract essential insights about the user. Today you have variables like smart watches and fitness tracking bands, which have already flooded the market. With the help of these sensors and softwares installed, such devices track and monitor the heart rate, BP, calorie intake, etc. The prerequisite from IoT technologies for variable applications is to be highly energy efficient or ultra low power, and it should be small sized. Next is smart cities. Smart city is the networked and intelligent city. It stands for better quality of life and lower consumption of resources. Smart surveillance, automated transportation, smarter energy management systems, water distribution, urban security, and environmental monitoring. These are some of the examples of IoT applications for smart cities. Together, the smart city technologies are optimizing infrastructure, the mobility, public services, and utilities. So collecting the data from citizens, devices, and assets, a smart city promises to solve major problems of people living in a usual city, like water distribution, pollution, crime, traffic congestion, waste management, etc. So here you have a smart city application. So there are many more areas where IoT is making an impact. So it's applicable in all the fields to create a smarter world. Out of those, some we have seen today. So the future of IoT is more fascinating than this, where you have billions of things which will be taking you to each other, and human intervention will become least. All the machines will be working with sensors and all on just one click. So human intervention will not be so much. I hope you had fun learning about all these powerful and promising things of IoT and its applications. In the forthcoming sessions, we will see another emerging trend in the field of technology. Thank you.